Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is Friday, November 13th. Friday the 13th of 2020. Don't forget to apply for CTHS and also ECHS. The deadline to apply is January 8th. You can go online and apply, scan this QR code, and it'll take you directly there. I know we've been saying this a lot this week, but we just want to remind you of your opportunities you have in front of you. On Monday, girls basketball traveled to Southmore to tame the Bull Puppies. The game started out slow, but Sierra and Tatiana opened up the game with some easy buckets. As the second quarter began, your eighth grade Lady Indians needed a spark of offense, and it came in the form of our mighty mouse, Rosa Huerta, who immediately scored and picked up the pace of the game. Tatiana and Sierra again scored at will as the game started opening up for them. The second half began with Rosa dropping 6 points in and Mariah draining an ugly but swishing three-pointer. Tatiana and Melinda protected the paint and refused to allow Southmore to score. The Lady Indians caged the Bull Puppies with a 36-17 win. Good job, ladies. The scoring, it was led by Rosa with 11 points, Sierra with 10, Tatiana had 8, and our defense was led by Tatiana, Sierra, Gigi, Mariah, and Melinda. Great job, ladies. Today is World Kindness Day. World Kindness Day could not have come at a better time. You can make a difference in this world simply by being kind. Here are some ways that you can show your kindness. Hold the door open for your teacher is one. Helping a classmate with their work. Write your teacher a kind note. You can offer to clean your table at lunch. Also, sitting next to someone who's sitting by themselves at lunch. Giving compliments to each other and your classmates. These are all ways that you can show kindness today on World Kindness Day. That's all we have for today. It's Friday. Have a great weekend. Let's end the week on a good note. Have a great day.